Today we will discuss how to install WordPress on MacBook and Apple iMac. Actually, it have two types of setups, Intel base and Apple base. To start, we need to install MAMP website server. So just click on the link. It will open in Safari and start download. It will download starter. In that option, click on open and click download. It will start downloading on your system. Map is a server setup that will make your MacBook a local server where you can install WordPress and all the things you needed. So your after installing Map, your MacBook work as a server, local server, not if not accessible out of your system, but on your MacBook it will work as a server. After installing the map server, actually we need to check our MacBook type. It will be Intel base if it is older, it will be Intel base, or if it is a new MacBook, it will be Apple base. You can see if you will go to our about this Mac tag, you can see here it will show chip type. It's Apple M2, so it's Apple based chip. Some on some older MacBook it will show Intel, so it will be Intel base. We can select accordingly. After checking the our MacBook type, then after completing the download, we will install it. It is taking time. Actually, WordPress is a top leading web development platform. It is easy to develop website. It is simple drag and drop. You can simply drag and drop things, and within few hours your basic website will be ready to launch. You can launch it on your server. You can buy it online, online any server like GoDaddy or other domains, and upload your WordPress basic website. In installation process, you can see just need to continue and install. After completing installation, we can set up the map application configuration. I already have installed it, so we will open it. First we cancel, then we open the map application. You can see here it is open. Its name is localhost. Document root, where it check it pick the website that is the root of your server, map local server. And web server type, what you want to, Apache or other. Also you can set the PHP version. I set it 8.2. Some advanced settings are also available. We discuss in future as we record. Yeah, that you can see where we can set ports, Apache port, Naging ports, and MySQL ports. We can set it in future. Here is the server type, and server root document directory. You can change it here. You can choose it here. You can also connect your cloud like Dropbox and other to connect it to your server. After completing, we can just start the map server. We click on start. We can click on web starter. It will open the starting page. Here you can see your server information. Here it will take you your root directory. I start some projects. It is showing which project you want to view. Here you can see we can go to tools and PHP MyAdmin to set up our database. We can create a database for our website. Tools, PHP MyAdmin. Here we can create a database for our. We can pick any name for our website. SEO my geek. You can create tables for your. It contain all the setting that you can set for our website. Like we can create tables, other. It contain the user setting and all other the. We can click on it. In privileges, to show who can access this site. We can change the login also. Change password.